nice thing is if there's a fear, there's a danger, then one should prepare for it. So what seems to be a great anachronism is that while all the other fears, everyone takes precaution, why no one is taking precaution about the fear, the danger which is looming before us? We have to leave this body. You see, that is the great mystery. That although everyone knows that there's a number one danger, anyone may escape from any danger, but who has escaped from death? Yet they don't think how to cross over or how to, what is the actual nature of all this. So this is Maya or illusion. And this Krishna conscious movement is meant to give them factual knowledge. As we sang, Bhaja Hure Manna Sri Nanda Nandana Bhaya Charanara Vindare. Bhaja Hure Manna Sri Nanda Nandana Abhaya Charanara Vindare. Fearless. Srila Prabhupada's name, A.C. Abhaya Charanara Vinda. Named after that. So, one becomes really fearless when he becomes fixed in Krishna consciousness. Because he knows that all the basic mysteries of life, who he is, where he's going, how to avoid the difficulties of life. And the devotee becomes fearless. Not the type of fearlessness that the materialist has, like sleeping, but an actual fearlessness. So, actual fearlessness is needed. Everyone wants to be actually free from fear.